using the Shop Miss a new little soap brow thing. This is what I'm going to be using to kind of just put my brows in place. Then I'm going to go in with their Wonder Brown pomade and just use that to fill in my brows. I've really been liking this stuff, you guys. It's not really my color, I think, but yeah, I like it. So I'm going to go in with their clear brow gel. I really like this stuff. It does lock down your brows. And then I'm going to go in with my Glam concealer and my Shop Miss I think this is the AOA Studio brush. And this is what I use to clean up my brows. And yeah, you guys, I really like it. So I'm going back in with that concealer and this Real Techniques buffing brush, I believe is what it was called. And I'm going to be using this to prime my lids. Then I'm going to go in with the Alyssa Edwards palette. And I'm taking the shade Believe on this really like crease thin brush. And I'm putting this into my crease in like a circle-ish type of shape. And then I'm going to go in with the shade BBDC. And I'm going to put that on top of it just to deepen it a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the shade Unicorn Tribe. It's like, looks purple, but it's actually like a little pinkish. And I'm gonna put that and give it like a blended out effect. Taking the shade Brick Road on like this pencil type of brush, and I'm going to be putting that on top and really blending that and that BBDC shade together. So I decided to hop on this Vaseline cleaning up trend, and you guys, I really like it. Now this is how I clean the areas that I'm going to be cutting my crease. I definitely recommend it. Then I'm going to actually be cutting my crease with the same concealer and this really thin brush that I got. I think it's from Beauty Creations. I ended up just putting glue on it and making it super thin so I could have a really clean cut line. Going in with the shade Beyond. It's like a pink glitter color, and I'm going to put in this where I cut my crease. Mixing the shade BBDC and Believe, and that's going to be like my blended out in the corner. So I took the shade Headliner from the same palette and a little bit of setting spray and this really thin brush. And I'm going to be drawing a line where my crease is at, doing kind of like a little graphic liner moment. I'm using Romo lashes in the style Belize, and I didn't get to finish my face on camera, but this was a close-up of the eye. I really like how this turned out, you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys recreate and tag me on Instagram if you do. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.